Okay, so hello everyone. This is part 30 of our JavaScript playlist. Here we are learning JavaScript functions 0 to advanced. Okay, so in this video we are going to learn about arrow functions. In previous video we have discussed so many things about the function. So in this video we will discuss about the function. Okay, so what is arrow function? Arrow function are a shorter syntax introduced in ES6. Okay, so what is the mean of this? Means arrow function is a shortest function, and this is introduced in new JavaScript. New JavaScript means ES6, ECMAScript 6. Okay, this is a part of arrow function is a part of new JavaScript. Okay, if you will learn the arrow function, it will definitely help you in React.js. Okay, when you will learn React.js, so many time we will use arrow function. So this is the most important topic for everyone. Okay, so here, as you already know, I have two files. One is index.html, second is app.js. Here I create basic HTML template and I linked this app.js file. Okay. And inside the app.js file, let me remove this and let me print some console message, console.log. Okay. And let me write something called working. Okay. So it is showing the output, means it's working properly. In order to check the output, you have to on the live server, right? Okay, fine. So in previously, okay, let me change here also. This is function 4. Okay. So in previous video, in previous videos, we have seen how we create the function. So basically in general, how we can create the function. In order to create the function, we write function keyword, then we write the function name. Okay. For example, my function name is test. My function name is test. Okay. Test is my function name. So inside the function, we write some expression like hello world, something like that. Okay, so will it print something? No, it will not print anything. Why it is not printing? Because we are not calling. If we will not call the function, it will not print anything. Okay, so now it is printing. Okay, now tell me, can I remove the function name? Can I remove the function name? If I remove the function name, it will say error. Okay, error is coming. So like if there is no function name, then how will I call this function? I'm writing test and there is no function name called test. So what I will do, I will store this function inside a variable called, for example, a variable. I'm storing in a. So what will happen? Nothing. So there is no test function. So I can't call this function through test. Instead of this, I can call through a. Why? Because this function is stored inside a variable. So a variable will work as a function. So through a, I can call. Okay. Now tell me, can I remove this? Can I remove this function keyword? Okay. Can I remove this function keyword? No, I cannot remove this function keyword. Why? Because error is coming. If you will remove the function keyword, error will come. So what is the solution? So whenever you are removing this function keyword, whenever you are removing this function keyword, make sure after removing this keyword, make sure after the parenthesis you are applying this arrow. This equals to and greater than symbol. This is only known as arrow function. This is what arrow function. Okay, so this is arrow function. Arrow function, right? So this is known as arrow function. This is how we can write the arrow function, right? So see again what I did. I created a function name like abc. Abc is my function, and I'm writing here console.log. Okay, so this is abc function. Okay, like that I'm writing. Okay, will it work? No. What I have to do? I have to call this function. Now will it work? Yeah, it is working. Okay, tell me, can I remove this abc name? Yes, I can remove. So when you're removing this name, you should store this variable inside uh, inside a variable. Okay, my variable name is a, but we are calling abc, but abc is not there. Our function inside a, so we will call this function through a, right? So is it working? Yeah. Now how we will create the arrow function? In order to create the arrow function, you can remove this function keyword. After removing the function keyword, you can apply this greater than, equals to, and greater than. Okay, like this it is working. Okay, suppose I want to send a number to it. So how can I send? I'm sending 100 to it. I'm sending, but who will receive? This parenthesis will receive. Okay, so I'm writing here num. Okay, so this num is receiving. So can I print this num here? Can I print this num here? Yes, I can print here. So what is it is printing? 100. It is printing what? 100. Right. Okay. So when you are passing single argument, you can also remove this parenthesis. Okay. So this is also your function. Okay. Previously it was inside the parenthesis, but we have single argument. single parameter. That's why we can remove this parenthesis. Okay, this is also the function. See, it is working. Yeah, it is working. Can I remove this curly braces? Yeah, you can remove the curly braces if you have only one statement inside the body. Okay, this curly braces means this is the body of the function. If you have only one statement inside the body, then you can remove this curly braces. Okay, you can remove the curly braces. Okay, so this is what? This is your arrow function. See, this is also your arrow function, right? So this will receive the argument, and this is the body of the function. We have one statement, that's why we remove the curly braces. We have one parameters, so that's why I remove the parenthesis. So this is how arrow function work. Okay, it is very useful function. You should know about this. It is little bit confusing, but once you practice, you will get idea. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching this video. In the next video, we will discuss more about the function. Thank you everyone.